Manchester United are considering a move for Salzburg goalkeeper Philip Kahn to rival David De Gea for the number one spot. Kahn started his senior career at Leipzig before moving to Salzburg reserve team. Kahn has recently established himself as the Salzburg number one and has been impressing scouts at Manchester United. According to Blue Sport, Manchester United scouts have mentioned him recently, including during Salzburg Champions League defeat to Bayern Munich. The Manchester United club may be looking for a new goalkeeper to repel David De Gea, with Dean Henderson potentially leaving club. Newcastle are considering make a move for Dean Henderson as they look to spend big in the summer, according to Daimler. Current Manchester United manager Ralf Rangnick signed Kahn for Leipzig, where he was sporting director at the time. The Swiss goalkeeper is said to represent his country at senior level but has played for multiple youth age groups. For under 15 to under 18, the 22 years old represented Germany before making the switch to Switzerland.